mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we could share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
Nom, nom, nom.
Whoa! Oh, no. Poor Goofy's shield fell into the moat.
Oh, let me try. I can't reach it.
Let's try my rope. Well, that's no good.
Timon, are you crying?
I'm fine. I just have something in my eye.
Here, blow.
Yeah, Bumba.
Gee, thanks.
Okay, I'm better.
Looks like we're gonna need a mouse-catool to help us. Everybody say, "Oh, Toodles! Oh, Toodles!" Here he comes. What mouse-catools do we have left? A carrot or the mystery mouse-catool? Will a carrot stick to the shield?
No!